Yeah, my name is Priyabandhu Sharma. I am from Vancouver, Canada. I had the onset of Parkinson's about 2.5 years ago, and I went to numerous neurologists and my doctors, and they were basically tossing me from one place to another. And they gave me levodopa to start curing my condition. I was very hesitant to take the medication. I came to know from the side effects of those medicines. There were about 3 pages of side effects, and I was very disturbed. So I talked to my doctor, and he says, there's no other way. This is the only medicine, that will help you with your Parkinson's. When I saw these 3 sheets of side effects, I was absolutely baffled, and I said I better take some poison instead of taking all this natural medicine. While I was tossing around, this idea of Parkinson and how I should cure it, I was fortunate enough to come across one lady. She's a very nice lady that was treated by Dr. Paneris. And seeing my symptoms, she right away told me to go to Ahmedabad to see Dr. Paneris personally. Without wasting any time, I came to Ahmedabad, and I was very fortunate that I came across to Ahmedabad, although the weather was not very permissible, because it was very, very hot and unbearable for me. But to me, my health was more important, so I took that chance. On meeting Dr. Paneris, I was very comfortable because he checked my nerve, he checked my pulse, and right off the bat, he told me what my symptoms were, and they were right ditto on the point. He started giving me medication, and I, in the meantime, was sitting in his clinic every day, watching other people come to the clinic. I saw that he had clientele, and he had people that were coming from all walks of life, with all kinds of symptoms, not only Parkinson's. And I saw some very devastating Parkinson's patients that were brought to the clinic, carried by people, and they could not even walk. That gave me a good relief, seeing all these things. But at the same time, after dealing with a lot of people, a lot of his customers, a lot of his patients, I came to the conclusion, and I saw that a lot of people, his patients that had started taking medication for a while, they were getting treated and they were getting well. That was a big consolation, and I'm very glad that I came to Ahmedabad. I have been in Dr. Paneris' clinic for 1 month. And in this 1 month, I've seen how he's formulating all the medication from the herbal plants and herbal medicine. And that gives me a very big satisfaction to find out that, his medicine is very authentic, very much to the betterment of the patient, and very pure. This in itself is a big consolation, because temporarily you can take any medicine that might cure you, but you take some medicine that does the treatment forever. That's very important. Dr. Paneris takes personal interest in his family, and his son, who is also a doctor, takes personal interest in making formulation of the medicine and taking care of the medicine, giving medicine to the patients. Since 1 month that I've been taking medicine, my movements I'm not okay, but my movements I can see improvement in my movements, in my gait, movement, and many other things. I have very strong confidence in Dr. Paneris, and I believe that I will be 100% okay. Seeing the results of other people that he's treating, or he has treated, and I will highly recommend Dr. Paneris for not only Parkinson's, but I've seen him treat other patients for numerous diseases that I cannot even count on the hands or on the And that's all I have to say.